Yes, brother.
When you said that you're not here to cover for anybody who has done something wrong.
That's right.
And from all what you said, you kind of talked more about what the West has done for us in Africa. And if I still recall from Ali Mazuri's Africa Triple Heritage, I believe there were some slaves too that were taken by the Arabs. So what do you want to say about that?
Okay, I agree. As I was speaking with the brother about Oman, that there were definitely Arabs who were involved in the slave trade. Definitely. There were Africans who were involved in the slave trade. If it wasn't for Africans, the Europeans would never have been able to go into the interior. The tsetse fly was killing them. And the malaria, they couldn't make it in. But it was one nation pitted against another nation. And then selling captives of war or people or prisoners or whatever, people they want to get rid of, making money to get the guns and whatever else. But they were tricked and they were used. So people, other than Europeans were involved in slavery. Europeans did not invent slavery. They did not invent slavery. It has existed in every part of the world. The only difference is that the volume of slaves in European slavery is higher than anywhere else ever. And then racism coming in. And the effects of it still on the minds of the people up until today. That is the difference between what happened. Within the Islamic so-called slavery, there are leaders, major leaders in Islamic history who were from slave families. In the Abbasid Caliphate, Harun al-Rashid, who was probably maybe one of the richest men in history in Baghdad. Okay, he was from a slave family. Qutb ad-Din, one of the famous leaders in Delhi, in India, a famous leader, he was from a slave family. And you'll go and you'll find many of the great leaders within Islamic history came from slave lineage. So there's upward mobility. But this form here, there's no mobility, but down into the ground. That's your mobility. And racism still makes it difficult for people to make it up in the ranks. The left, this is what the difference is within it. But definitely Arabs were involved in it, Africans were involved in it, Indians were involved in it. But what I'm trying to say is that Islam, as a way of life, is free of this. Islam is free of this.